You know, trying to manage a complex AI initiative can feel a lot like conducting an orchestra where everybody's playing from a completely different sheet of music. So, how do you get everyone in sync? Well, it really all comes down to having the right tools. Today, we're going to dive into one tool that's designed to bring that kind of clarity and collaboration to the table. Welcome to The Explainer. And just so you know where we're coming from, this analysis is all based on Chapter 11 of a really comprehensive course by Virtualization Options LLC. We're going to be exploring the work management platform Asana, specifically through the lens of managing AI projects.
All right, so here's the challenge every single manager in the AI space runs into. Think about it, right? Your data scientists are obsessed with model performance. Your engineers are living in the deployment pipelines. And your business teams, they just want to know the ROI. They're all aiming for the same goal, sure, but they're speaking totally different languages. And that creates friction, delays, you name it.
And this is exactly where a tool like Asana steps in. It's literally built to bridge those communication gaps. By creating one central place for absolutely everything related to the project, it becomes that single source of truth. What's really key here is that it's simple enough for non-technical folks to understand what's going on, but still powerful enough for the tech teams managing all the nitty-gritty details. Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's break down the structure, starting from way up high. At the top, you have the portfolio. Think of this as your mission control. If you're a manager or an executive, this is where you get that 30,000-foot view of your entire AI program. You're not getting lost in the weeds. You're seeing a dashboard that tells you, at a glance, what's on track, what's at risk, and where your money and people are going. Now let's zoom in a level to the project. You can think of this as the main container for one single big initiative. So maybe that's developing a new fraud detection model or building a new chatbot. This is the space where all the different pieces for that one specific goal, from start to finish, get organized. And finally, we get right down to the ground level, the task. Now, this is the most granular piece, but honestly, it might be the most important. Every single thing that needs to be done becomes a task with one owner and one due date. It gets rid of all the ambiguity. It's not someone should clean the data. Nope. It's Maria will clean the training data set by Friday. See? That creates real accountability. So for anyone in a leadership role, all these layers roll up into one super powerful dashboard. You've got portfolios for that quick health check on everything. Then you have the goals feature, and this is huge. It lets you explicitly connect each AI project to a bigger business objective, so you can always answer the question, why are we even doing this? And then there's the workload view, which helps you manage your most important asset, your people, by making sure no one's getting burned out. Okay, so we've seen the high-level view for managers, but the real magic of a platform like this is how it lets different teams look at the exact same project, but in a way that makes the most sense for them. Let's compare two of the main views here. A data scientist, they might live in the board view. It's visual, it's Kanban style, and they can just drag and drop an experiment from in progress to validation. It's super flexible, perfect for that kind of iterative work. But a project manager might prefer the timeline view. This is your classic Gantt chart. It clearly shows how tasks depend on each other, what the critical path is, and it helps them spot potential delays weeks before they happen. See? Same project, same info, two totally different but equally valuable ways of looking at it. Now, this is how you turn strategy into actual action. Asana uses automation to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. It can start with a standardized intake form so every new request captures the exact same info. From there, you can set up rules to automatically assign that request to the right person or team. A task gets created with a clear owner and due date, and dependencies make sure work happens in the right order. You can't start validating a model before the data set is clean, right? It just builds a reliable, repeatable process. So let's quickly put it all together. You have features like custom fields, which let you track key metrics like model accuracy right on the task itself. That gives you structured data for amazing reports. Forms, like we said, keep everything consistent. Rules are a lifesaver. They just cut down on all that manual admin work. And goals? Well, goals give you that clear line of sight, connecting the daily grind directly to the value it creates for the business. When you boil it all down, the whole point is this: to replace all that ambiguity with crystal clear clarity. It's about drawing a straight, unbroken line from the smallest task someone is working on today all the way up to the most important strategic goal your company has. And really, it all comes down to the number one single place to see everything. One source of truth that aligns every single person, from the data scientist running an experiment to the CEO reviewing the program's progress. That single pane of glass is what gives you the control and visibility you need to manage something as incredibly complex as AI development.
So that leaves us with one last question for you to think about. Look at your own AI initiatives right now. Does your current process give you this kind of top-to-bottom clarity? Or, if you're being honest, does it sometimes feel like you're pouring money and people into a black box and just hoping for the best? The right tools can turn that black box into a glass box, giving you the insight you need to truly steer your AI strategy to success.